Hey Shooby Doodlers, I have here a folder of artwork that I sent to Oxford University Press in September 1986. These are artwork for 6 of my Lydia books, the first books I ever wrote. And this is Lydia and her garden. And here we have a photocopied paste up to show the printers how it should all look, how the lettering should go, because this is all kind of done by the printers who organise that bit. And this is the cover, and on the cover is this overlay, transparent overlay. I can't remember the name of this stuff, but anyway, I've had this conversation on YouTube before. And on here then we have bits of blue writing that you can see, with instructions, and this is pasted up photo setting, which is very expensive in those days, but very beautiful, very high quality. This is the cover, and then that's the back cover. And I did all this hand lettering without really thinking about it. Nowadays they wouldn't do that, but they obviously liked it and decided let's go with it. And then this is the title page. Again, this is photo set paste up. And this is the bit that I had done. So I'd obviously thought, well, I'm going to do hand lettering as well. But you go, nope, cut that. Lower the illustration by 7mm. And then that's my signature I painted in there. No, we don't want any of that, thank you. It's going to say Oxford University Press. And I can't remember, Lydia sang, I think it's because it's raining. Let me see, page 1, here we are, yeah. It's raining, Lydia's sad. Mum says, let's make a garden inside. And she gets a bit of paper, blotting paper stuff, or cloth, and sows mustard seeds on them. And I just thought I would do this one because that was just something we used to do as kids. And what is that stuff on there? It's been sliced off somewhere. And it's just, part of growing up was sort of making little mustard seed trays like that. And once when I was growing up, I remember sort of making a little garden kind of thing and let things grow up around. I don't think we had Lego people in those days. I can't remember something like that though. She waters it every day. There's a cat joining in. The grass grows until it's ready to cut the grass. Make a nice sandwich, cheese and cress sandwich. Yum, yum, yum. And Lydia doesn't like cress sandwiches. So that's that. What can I say? I'm still, as I go through all this art, I'm still impressed at how few lines I use. It's really delicate ink work, and I wish I could get back to that kind of innocence again, I suppose. With the experience that I have now, I should try. So there we go. I'm going to put that back in the folder, and next time I will show you the artwork for Lydia and her cat. Click up here for the playlist. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.